Welcome to the Strato 1.17 What's New release summary video. And this new version of Strato, there are new cool features and enhancements within Strata Workflow, Dashboard, and Storage Management. And these are the following. Just for the overview, we will quickly go through these items one by one, though there are separate videos for each of the items here for more information, so make sure to watch those videos as well. First, for the Strata Workflow is the new feature that enables admins to apply a validity period on a specific workflow step. What happens with this new feature for the workflow is that when the configured validity period for a specific workflow step is reached, an automatic action is then performed in the workflow based on the condition configured. As an example, when a workflow step for a candidate to sign a job offer letter has reached the end of its validity date and still has not been signed, the workflow will automatically execute the next step, which is to send an email notification to the recruiter communicating that the offer has expired and not been signed. Note that the new Step Validity tab is available only for the User Decision, Request File, and Sign Document workflow steps. Next, still in Strata Workflow, there's a new functionality to dynamically attach a file within the workflow as an email attachment via the User Decision and Request File steps. This enhancement allows having another supplementary document that can be viewed as an email attachment as long as the Send Email option is enabled in the settings of the workflow step. A good use case for this is uploading a job description document in the workflow, then sending the job offer letter to the candidate for acceptance with the job description document attached in the email notification. For the generating documents with SuccessFactors pending data functionality, this enables Strata Workflow to get pending information from SuccessFactors workflow and display this data in a generated Strata document via the Generate Document step. A good example for this is generating a promotion letter for a promoted employee using feature-dated promotion details. Next is the new capability of Strata Workflow to attach documents to external applications or third-party applications. This is made possible by the Call External Services step through its API Body Builder feature. Using the Call External Services step, documents from Strata Workflow can be uploaded in a third-party application via API, and this include the following: documents automatically generated within Strata Workflow via Generate Document step, and documents or files uploaded by the user in the workflow via the Request File step. A good example for this new feature is attaching a generated Strata document to an external application such as CRM, Zendesk, and ServiceNow, to name a few. More for the Call External Services workflow step. In summary, the Body Builder feature of the Call External Service step enables integrating third-party applications to post or get data, example, creating or updating tickets from applications such as Jira, and attaching Strato documents via API, which is related to the previous enhancement we mentioned earlier about attaching documents to third-party applications. Apart from its raw builder functionality, which allows admins to create an API body to call an external web service client, is the new Multipart builder that enables Multipart Upload. There's a separate video about this new feature, so make sure to watch that as well. Now, in line with the enhancement on getting SuccessFactors pending data for generating documents in Strata Workflow, comes a new feature on generating documents based on a given date range, and this is via Generate Document step. This allows an end user to pass a date range to Strata Workflow, which will be the basis of the data to be generated in a Strata document. A typical example is generating a promotion letter for an employee based on the effective dates of the promotion. With a given date range, the promotion letter will generate and display future dated data or pending data from SuccessFactors workflow. Lastly, for Strata Workflow is its new enhancement with the SuccessFactors Workflow Trigger component. As you know, Strata Workflow can be triggered via the SuccessFactors workflow. Using this trigger component, parameters are required to be passed from SuccessFactors to Strata Workflow. Previously, these parameters still needed to be defined by the admin manually in Strata Workflow configuration. With this new enhancement, these parameters are now automatically created when the SuccessFactors component is used in Strata Workflow. Next is the new enhancement for Strato dashboard, specifically for the generator card. With this new 1.17 release, the generator card in Strato dashboard widget now enables managers to generate templates not only for their direct reports or employees they have access to, but also for employees that they manage indirectly or they are the matrix manager of. And last but not the least is the new date validity feature in storage management. Documents and files can now have a validity period when stored within the file management or storage management of Strato. Depending on the document and the organization's requirements when storing files, validity rules can be applied that will automatically mark documents as archived, expired, or deleted. With this new feature is the new tool in the storage settings called Rule Definition, where the validity rules can be configured. To know more about this new feature, please watch the video about storage state validity. And those are the new features and enhancements for Strato's version 1.17. For more details of each enhancement, please watch the other videos related to this new release. Thank you for watching.